Another technique I'll use is doing octaves with the right hand. So if you're doing an open tuning, you got a lot of places for octaves and strings. So what I'll use this for is to kind of add a little bit more weight or a little bit more body to usually the higher notes. So if I'm trying to play if that's the note I want, go down to the D string and add that note in there too, because it's the same fret for both strings. So, and then what you do is I'll strike the lower string with your thumb and usually the higher string with your ring finger, and you can use the two, your first and second finger, to mute the strings in between. So what I'm doing is resting my first and second finger on the G and B string, while my thumb and ring finger are sounding the D and E string, or I guess D and D string because we're in open D. Then you can bring that down a string set to those two strings, to the A and A. Just a way to thicken up a note. You hear Derek Trucks use it all the time. He'll use it pretty aggressively too. Cool. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching.